Hello beautiful people, welcome to this channel. If you're new, and welcome back if you're returning fan. Yes, today we have a tutorial of making this Air Force Nike shoe, Nike sneaker, white in color. Yeah, let's use rhinestones to decorate it. If you're ready to go through this tutorial, grab a seat, get yourself a drink, and let's start on it. Thank you so much, those ones who are following me. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please do. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a message if you really think this video is helpful in any way, so that it can go out to reach all those people who can benefit from it. I really do appreciate for those who have already subscribed, and those people who have not yet subscribed, please do. Thank you so much. First of all, we started with removing the shoelaces because I don't think we'll need them this time. There's a lot to change on this shoe to make it much better than it has been. So we had to remove the shoelaces. Now we had to pick which rhinestones. I thought of red, but I had 3 shades of red. So I had to pick the best shade of red that I could use. And I used all sizes because for some big parts I had to use the big rhinestones, and for the small, like the gaps between big rhinestones, I had to place the tiny rhinestones. So all sizes were needed and were paramount this time round. So there was no something like choosing or leaving out different sizes. So we're going to start with showing the materials that we needed. We needed this glue, it's called B7000. We had the rhinestones, that is the second one. We had rhinestone picker, like you see. Okay, now let's dive into it. So here we go. I had to give these rhinestones a background, so I did not take you through that process. I'm sorry, I thought I was recording, but when I looked for the video, I could not find it, and I was so much disappointed in myself. But Alhamdulillah, we'll go with what we have, because sometimes it has ever happened to some of you, because sometimes you think you're recording and then boom, you find out that you did not record and you cannot reverse the process. So that's what happened with this Nike tick. So I colored it with marker, red marker, then I put the red rhinestones to give that tick a background. That makes it look much better without a background. So I had to continue because I could not cry for the spilled milk. So I had to continue with the rest of the part that I wanted to rhinestone. So that is the next part where the shoelaces go around. For that place, I did not give it a background because with the shoelaces that are going to be put, not the white one, they needed to be with a clear background. That's what I put. I thought it would look much better without a red background like the tick. So there we go with the Air Force Nike shoe, Nike sneaker. So rhinestone one by one. So let's enjoy the process and see. So this is it. One part done. One part done. So that's how it turned out. Without see the difference. So with the red background and without the red background. So this is done intentionally so because the shoelaces are going to be red. If I had given it the red background like the tick, it would not look nice. I don't know if you guys get me. So the last part was to do the front. Yeah, so I had to put our B7000 glue, then slowly I had to put the rhinestones one by one. So if you think a different color would look better with this white sneaker, put it in the comment section, please. Maybe I can give it a try and try that color on the rhinestones. If you think this looked better, please also put it in the comment section. It really motivates me. That's number one. It helps the channel grow. That's number two. And it helps those people who would learn from my tutorials to get access to the videos, because if I'm motivated, I keep posting and I keep filming. So thank you so much. If you have made it this far, that means a lot to me. Thank you so much. May God bless you. I really do appreciate it if you have made it this far. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing to it so that you don't miss any tutorials of different crafting. If you have not given a thumbs up, please consider giving it a thumbs up, like it, and even share with a friend if you think they would love to learn such crafting tutorials. Thank you so much. Now we're almost done, but we had a very small part left. So what I did, I had to get a tiny rhinestone and place it there. Yes, there you go. Yes, so that was the look that I was looking for. I went for that look and I achieved it. Alhamdulillah. So guys, considering the way they turned out to look, what do you think, guys? Out of 10, what percent, like what number would you give? Out of 10, this Air Force One, Air Force Nike Air. So what do you think? For me, I like it, but I had to do something better, and that's adding new shoelaces. That gave it a very different look and a better look. Thank you so much for staying around. This video has come to an end. Be safe, take care of yourself. See you next time, and bye-bye.
He says my body must kill a man, must kill a man. Watanda bagamba campus by, somebody kwetaga, somebody wataja is offer, somebody